Welcome to Strategy Saturday. I'm Charles Carillo, and today we're going to be discussing what is a letter of intent. Have you always wanted to invest in real estate but didn't have the time, didn't know where to find the deals, couldn't get the funding, and didn't want tenants calling you? Since 2006, I've been buying income-producing properties in great locations that provide us with consistent passive income while we wait for appreciation in the future and take advantage of tax laws while we're waiting. And unlike your financial advisor, we invest alongside our investors in every property we purchase. Check out investwithharborside.com. If you like the idea of investing in real estate, if you like the idea of passive income, partner with us at investwithharborside.com. That's investwithharborside.com. A letter of intent, or LOI, is a document that outlines the main terms of a prospective agreement between two or more parties prior to drafting a final legal agreement. The LOI is normally 2 to 3 pages long. The purpose of the LOI is to list the general parameters of a potential deal. It is not a detailed agreement. In most cases, the LOI are not legally binding. Instead of paying your attorney to generate dozens of agreements on properties you are interested in purchasing, you simply create an LOI by using a template you already have and send it to the seller. The seller will sign, counter, create a whole new LOI, or ignore the deal in its entirety. The LOI allows buyers to move quickly and efficiently. It helps parties involved not waste time or money. The goal of the LOI is to announce the proposed deal, clarify key points, and protect all parties. The LOI starts the conversation of a prospective agreement and begins negotiations. Once you have a signed LOI, you will then enlist the services of your attorney to draft the actual purchase and sale agreement. Now, the LOI for property purchase will include date, the seller's name, property's address and parcel tax ID number, the purchase price, the down payment, earnest money deposit, proposed mortgage terms, seller financing terms, if any, repair allowance, if any, inspection, due diligence period, who will be handling escrow, what title company or attorney. Many LOIs include a non-disclosure or non-solicitation clause. Prior to using an LOI, I would have your attorney review your template. Always have your attorney draft the actual purchase and sale agreement, the PSA. If you're purchasing several properties per year or issuing many LOIs, I would highly suggest opening an LLC that is just for LOIs and offers. There will be no assets or properties in this LLC, and it will be separate from your company's brand LLC. For example, if your real estate brand is Bayside Capital Partners LLC, your LLC for LOIs and offers might be Bayside Capital Acquisitions LLC, and this provides a buffer between your brand and yourself from an offer. If you're looking for a collection of editable letters of intent templates, please go to freeloi.com, freeloi.com. That's freeloi.com. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to rate, review, subscribe. Submit comments and potential show topics at globalinvestorspodcast.com. Look forward to 2 more episodes next week. See you then.
Nothing in this episode should be considered specific, personal, or professional advice. Any investment opportunities mentioned on this podcast are limited to accredited investors. Any investments will only be made with proper disclosure, subscription documentation, and are subject to all applicable laws. Please consult an appropriate tax, legal, real estate, financial, or business professional for individualized advice. Opinions of guests are their own. Information is not guaranteed. All investment strategies have the potential for profit or loss. The host is operating on behalf of Syndication Superstars LLC exclusively.